How to fix the Roblox screen stuck when updating or installing easy. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be talking quickly about how you're going to fix the Roblox screen stuck when updating. So let's get straight into it. So there could be two leading issues to this. Okay, so the first leading issue could be that your internet is doing problems. So for that, you can obviously restart your DNS router, or you could, connect to a different provider to check if things are working. And if it's not the internet issue, then do make sure to choose a different browser to use your Roblox on. But if the issue still arises, then what you're going to do is you're going to come over. Okay, you're going to write run. You're going to open up this and you're going to write percentage temp percentage. You're going to click on OK, and this will open a temporary file section. What you're going to do is you're going to delete all these files, because in some of these are some Roblox cache documents that are ruining your storage and that are causing your Roblox to be stuck. So delete all those, and that should make it start running. So yeah, that is about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.